Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna share with you a proven way to make money online. You can earn $50 in PayPal over and over again. It's free, available worldwide. You don't need any skills, any experience. You can start it after watching this video today, and it's completely easy to do. Please keep watching this video. If you've just found our channel, I'm Ershad from United Braves. This channel is about entrepreneurship, success, mindset, online and offline marketing, working and making money online. To watch more videos like this video and future videos, please right now click on the red button below the video and subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. If you didn't subscribe, please subscribe right now. There are videos here to help you to earn money online, work from home, master your life, master your business, how to become a millionaire in 21 steps. There is a course here. You can watch these videos are waiting for you. Today I'm going to talk about a website that you can earn money online, and this is a website that you can earn at least $50 in PayPal over and over again. I mean, there is no limitation for earning money on this website, and you can start it today. It's completely free, available worldwide, and you don't need any skills, any experience, and you can do it after watching this video. Let's start it. The website is Remote Tasks. Make money doing tasks. Start earning from home today. Really, it is like this. The easiest online jobs that you can do is here, and you don't need any skills. Just there are some easiest tasks for you that you can start today for earning money online. And as you see, there is a actually video here that it shows. For example, draw a bounding box around all the cars. This is one of the tasks, and you can earn like this. And like this, for example, Beat Studio headphones. That's all. And time to get paid, PayPal, and that's all. They can pay you. We send money to your PayPal address. Really, it's easy. Really, it's like this one, and just you need to have a PayPal account. And as I think you already have PayPal account, because this is so important for you to make money online, because most of the sites on the internet they need PayPal. That's why today you can start creating a PayPal account if you don't have one. So how it works: tag images, transcribe audio, moderate content. We have many interesting tasks for you to do. English fluency is the only requirement, and that's all. Get started today. Sign up, then you need to take exams, then work and get paid. Signing up is easy. Just connect to Facebook. We have tons of exams for you to take. Do tasks in categories you've unlocked. Get paid weekly via PayPal. That's all. And by taking the exams, they want to figure out you have the requirements for doing the tasks. And the exams are so easy. You don't need to be worried about the exams. For example, it can be a difficult exam. No, it's not like this. You can start signing up today, and then take the exams and start working, and then get paid. Easy to do tasks. Each exam unlocks tasks for you to do. Examples of tasks you can do are drawing boxes around cars, moderating content, identifying spam, categorizing t-shirts. We provide the tasks. We work with multiple companies, from small startups to public companies. Some examples include self-driving car companies and t-shirt startups. They've trusted us and you with completing these tasks. So the tasks. What are the tasks? We have a wide variety of tasks. These are just a few examples. Most focuses on providing human insights into text, video, and images. Image annotation, categorization, image transcription, compression, audio transcription, data collection, And as you see, for example, for this one, draw bounding boxes around various objects to help determine what's where. And for this one, help identify keywords that describe image, what's in an image. That's easy. That's not something that you even I think it takes you maybe 10 seconds or 5 seconds to do the tasks. Transcribe important content from an image. Draw bounding boxes around various objects to help determine what's where. Transcribe voice recordings for people to read. Search the web and collect data about anything. And you see, there are some easy tasks for you. The easiest tasks that you can do on the internet and start making money online today is with this website. And you don't need, as you see, any skills. Just if you know how to work with a computer and how you can search something on the internet, that's all. And I think all of you, now you're watching this video on YouTube, you have this ability to make money online with this website. And as you see, there are some people here that they already work with this company and earned money and frequently ask questions. And do I have to work a minimum number of hours to get a payout? There is no minimum to get paid each week. So, and will I really get paid? We have thousands of taskers working on our platform that get paid every week. If you'd like to connect with one of them, let us know. And you see all of your questions that maybe you have some of these questions are here. You can read later. And for example here, how do I task? Once you create your account, you're able to start taking courses and exams at Remote Tasks University. You can start earning after passing your first exam. Remote Tasks University is a place that you can learn how to do tasks, and they teach you everything about these websites, about the tasks, about everything, and they are easy to do, and just they help you to earn more and to make money online more. And do we have to pay to use your platform? Of course not. We don't charge for working our platform. However, there's a 2% PayPal transaction fee per payout. So just 2% PayPal transaction fee per payout. That's all. And as you see here, and as you know, they pay you on Fridays. On Fridays they pay you, and every Friday you can get your money that you already worked for. Start earning from home today. And if you click on sign up, all skill levels will come. We are hiring for many different task types, from text categorization to leader annotation and more. Flexible work. You can always set your own hours and work from home. You know, flexible work, it means that it's not, for example, you should start working with this website, for example, 8 a.m. in the morning up to 9. No, it's completely free. It's in your hands that what time you want to start working, and of course how many hours you want to start working. I think if you just spend 2 hours or 3 hours a day, at least you can earn $50 at least. Advanced opportunities. As you gain experience on the platform, you can get promoted to become a trusted reviewer and earn even more. Just unfortunately, you can sign up just with Facebook, and you should have a Facebook account and sign up with your Facebook, and that's all. that you need working with this website. I'm going to show you some reviews, some proofs that they already because there are some people already worked with this website and earned money. Also, I'm going to show you some proofs of that ones. As you see here, there's a website, BMF, or Bear Money From. You can go to this website and see, you come here. For example, this guy earned not near $10. This guy, as you see, different amount of money. It depends on how many hours you work on this website. And for example, here, $26, $24, $31, $41 year, $50. You see different amount of money they earn from this website, and you can also start making money online today. So as you see, this website is nice to start making money online today after watching this video, and it's easy to do. You don't need to do anything else. For example, here you see that start audio transcription. You can transcribe audio files and to make money online, and that's really easy. You can start it after watching this video. And there are different tasks. For example, you don't say that, oh, audio transcription, I'm not gonna do that. No, it is just one of the tasks. For example, another task, as you see, draw a bounding box around all the cars in the image. As there's a task for you, and you can do it very easily without any experience or without any skill. You can start earning money online, and there is a support here and frequently asked questions, and meet our taskers, the tasks and how it works. All of the things that you need to know are here. You can come to this website, remotasks.com, and start making money online. And also there is another website that it's a bonus for this video. You can also start making money online with this website. Another website is Pickup Workers. Pickup Workers is a website that also is the same like remote tasks, and you can start making money online today. I already released a video, and in that video I talk about Pickup Workers, and I completely explain about Pickup Workers in that video. There is a link here. You can click on this link and watch that video to get more information about Pickup Workers. And it's a nice website that there are the easiest tasks for you to make money online, and you can start making money online today. And of course, this is a nice website, and also remote tasks. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the thumbs up. I want you to like this video to watch more videos like this video and future videos. Please right now click on the red button below the video and subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you. Every day I release new videos to help you to master your life and master your business. I wish you all the best, health and wealth. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.